Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a OneDrive account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is open any browser. And then once you do that, go to the search bar and then search for OneDrive like this. OneDrive sign in. And then you're going to find this page right here, sign in Microsoft OneDrive. Then right here, as you can see, guys, you can either sign in if you already have an account, or if you want to create a new account, click on create one. Then wait for this page to load. First of all, go ahead and create a new email address. I'm going to click on get a new email address. And then, for example, I'm going to name it tutorial something at outlook.com, or you can choose any choice that you want. Then click on next. And then once you do that, you need to create a password. Enter the password you would like to use with your account. Create a new password right here. You can show the password if you want. Here you can also check this option. I would like informations, tips, and offers about Microsoft's products and services. Choosing next means that you agree to the Microsoft Services Agreement and Privacy and Cookies statement. So go ahead and click on next. As you can see, guys, our password is a little bit weak. So right now I'm going to try to click on next. After that, you need to add your name, add your first name and also your last name, and then click on next. Then you need to add your birth date. Choose your country or region and then choose your birth date right here. And then click on next. Then you need to confirm that you are not a robot. And then after this step, your OneDrive account will be created. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.